Now, over in St. Elizabeth, the police arrested 3 alleged gunmen who had left the neighboring St. James due to the ongoing state of public emergency. The cops held them moments after they were involved in a shootout in a St. Elizabeth community. This bullet-riddled Toyota Voxy motorcar is the vehicle the St. Elizabeth police team stopped Wednesday night. According to Acting Commanding Officer for the St. Elizabeth Police Division, Deputy Superintendent Coleridge Minto, the cops got reports of loud explosions in the Carisbrook community sometime after 9 p.m. Wednesday and a black vehicle with several armed men in the area. A roadblock was mounted in Magotty and the Voxy intercepted.
During a search of the vehicle, a 9mm Smith & Wesson pistol with 6 live rounds was found inside the vehicle. 2 men of St. James addresses were also found in the vehicle. The men were taken to the Black River Criminal Investigation Branch, CIB, where they were arrested, and investigation continues.
The cops say when they stopped the vehicle, it was already riddled with bullet holes. It's believed they were involved in a shootout in the Carisbrook area earlier. The Toyota Voxy has been seized. In addition to the 2 persons arrested from the vehicle, a 3rd person, also from a St. James address, who turned up at hospital with bullet wounds, is now under police guard as the cops believe he is also a part of the group. Superintendent Minto says Wednesday's response is part of a broader clampdown on criminal activities by the St. Elizabeth police. There has been an uptick in shootings and murders, which the cops say triggered the recent curfew and ban on entertainment permits as the threat for reprisals is great.
And so based on the intel and to ensure that there's public order and safety, we took a decision to restrict public gathering for some events in Balaclava and neighboring communities. It was a decision that was not lightly thought about, but one that was necessary to ensure that the protection of life and property can be maintained, particularly through this time.
Wednesday's arrests confirm the belief that criminals from parishes under states of emergency have been seeking to operate in the neighboring St. Elizabeth.
We continue to increase our presence, to dominate our spaces, and particularly holding our borders to prevent persons from moving across freely on our public thoroughfares.